Hi, hello friends. A very good evening to all. I welcome you all back to my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com, and today I have a hot recipe, snack recipe called as masala vadas. For that, I have taken chana dal here. This is what called chana dal. I have taken 2 cups of chana dal here. With this cup itself, I have taken 2 cups. I have soaked this for 3 hours. And after 3 hours, I have grinded this to a coarse paste. Not very finely I have grinded this. I have grinded this coarsely. You can see this. You should not grind this finely. Should be coarsely only. So in this I am going to add all the items that I have kept here. I have taken 2 medium size of onions, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 small tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 5 pods of garlic. I have just crushed it. 1 big green chili I have taken in this. Some curry leaves, few curry leaves, and coriander leaves I have taken here. Freshly cut coriander leaves. This is what all the ingredients that we are going to add in the masala vadas paste. And I have taken some garam masala to be added in that. So let us mix all these items to this, and we will mix it very well. Till that, I have kept one kadai here with half a kadai of oil. Let this be heated. Meanwhile, we will mix up all the items and keep it ready. I just added all the items to this flour, to this vada flour, and now to this I am going to add 1 full tablespoon of garam masala powder with some salt. Check for the seasoning. And the salt too I have added. Now I am going to mix up very nicely. Now look at this. I have mixed all the ingredients into that vada flour, and now I am going to take one small size of ball size of, take medium size balls like this, and in your palm just keep it in middle of the palm and press it in the middle itself. Like this only you have to press. That's it. Now dip it in the hot oil. Repeat the procedure. Take medium size of ball, and with this thing itself, like you have to keep the palm like this, and on the other palm you have to keep the vada flour and just press it. In between only you have to press like this. That's it. Then dip it in the hot oil. I just did the same procedure again and again, and see how my vadas are getting fried up. You should keep the flame in medium slow, not in high, because it has to be cooked inside. So don't be in a hurry. Just take a little time. If you take a little time and cook, the vadas will come out very nicely. The taste will be ravishing. You will love it and you will make it again and again. In medium flame you have to keep, and then you have to fry up like this. Now after 10 minutes, it's turning into golden brown. We will take out. See? We will hold like this. We will take the excess oil. We will wait till the excess oil goes off. We will shift it in another plate. Simple and easy recipe. Only thing, you have to get the dal soaked for 3 hours, and then only you have to add all the ingredients and make the masala vadas. Now I have served this on one plate, and with some sauce our evening will be even more happier with our family members. If you sit and smack this snack item, it will be very tastier, and all the children also will love to eat. With the sauce, it's a great combination. It's hot. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.